our dear benefactors, the Montalibano family headed by Tony Montalibano, Dr. Austin O, Executive Director of Taiwan Catholic Mission Foundation, the Mingjian family members from Taiwan and New York City, dear teachers, boys and girls, parents, and all our friends who came to be with us on this special occasion, a pleasant afternoon and a warm welcome to the Luk Mundi Monastery. This morning, this afternoon, all the people in Bacolod, Musia, especially here this moment, I would like to share with all of you the main reason why we celebrate this honor ceremony for Father Vincent Lam. Would you know who is Father Vincent Lam? You can see his image and his relic presented with us in this monastery of Musia here. Father Lam was a great missionary among the Chinese people. And nowadays, many scholars mention him as the Saint Paul of the China Church. He was a young Vincentian brother when he came to China in 1901 from Belgium. As a missionary, he worked with great zeal and joy to evangelize the Chinese people. In 1928, he founded two religious orders, one for men called the Little Brothers of St. John the Baptist, and the other for women, the Little Sisters of St. Teresa in the Diocese of Anhui, northern China. Needless to say, he is the national hero of China because of his love and sacrifice for the Chinese people. During the war against the Japanese in 1933, Father Lam led the Little Brothers and many faithful Christians and non-Christians as well to help rescue the wounded. The heroic effort claimed the lives of Father Lam's 18 brothers and 2 sisters. Indeed, Father Lam urged the Chinese to fight bravely for their country. Father Lam died on June 24, 1940, the feast of St. John the Baptist. That is why he is not only a pioneer of the Chinese church, but also a national hero of China. The spirituality of Father Lam and total sacrifice, true love, and constant joy are taken as the main doctrine of the congregation, together with his unique way of evangelization using modern technology, education, and science, inculturation, and family style of living have been carried on by fellow little brothers and little sisters to many parts of the world, such as Hong Kong, Taiwan, Vietnam, United States, Argentina, Canada, and especially now in Musia, Bacolod, Negros. Since 2004, when our little brothers became their mission in this new land, generous benefactors like the late Victor Alex Montalibano and his family members were very supportive as the life, work, prayers, and service of our little brothers here began to grow and take root. Hopefully, in the years to come, it may flourish and bear abundant fruits for the local church and the people in Musia especially. Once again, with heartfelt appreciation, we would like to thank you for your presence here today and for your continuous support for our community in many ways, now and in the years to come. Thank you, and God bless you all.